Maybe it's not my place. Learn this useful English expression. Hi there! In today's English in a Flash, we look at the expression, maybe it's not my place. What does it mean? It's a polite way to say you're not sure if you should say something, because it might be too personal or not your business. Usamos esta frase cuando queremos opinar o aconsejar, pero sabemos que puede no ser apropiado meterse. Es una forma suave y educada de empezar. Maybe it's not my place, but I think you should talk to her. Quizás no me corresponde decirlo, pero creo que deberías hablar con ella. I know it's not my place, but you deserve better. Maybe it's not my place, but I think you're making a big mistake. I know it's not my place to say this, but are you really happy? You'll hear this in serious talks, when giving advice, or stepping into sensitive topics. That's it for now. Find more real expressions in our playlist English in a Flash.